An RV air conditioner can run normally yet still overload your generator the moment its compressor starts. Choosing the right soft start depends on your rooftop unit, available power, and installation experience. These 5 picks cover budget kits, Coleman-specific systems, standard RV rooftop units, and larger residential-style setups. By the end, you will know which one fits and which to avoid. Starting at number 5 is the Aoteda RV Soft Start Kit. Aoteda is the entry-level pick for buyers who want to reduce startup surge without paying premium brand prices. Its main appeal is its budget positioning. It provides the basic soft start function needed to help an RV air conditioner start on limited generator or inverter power. However, this is not a product to install by guessing. Some buyers report unclear instructions, inconsistent wire color guidance, incorrect wiring could damage the air conditioner or the soft starter. Choose Aoteda only if you can verify the correct wiring diagram for your exact AC model. Less experienced installers should consider a better supported alternative. At number 4 is the Spartan Power. SpartanStart is the mid-range pick for conventional RV air conditioners. It is designed for 120-volt AC systems up to 20,000 BTU, covering many common rooftop units used on travel trailers, vans, and motorhomes. Its purpose is straightforward. It reduces the compressor's startup demand, so a limited power source has a better chance of starting the air conditioner without triggering an overload. The trade-off is limited diagnostics. Buyers looking for Bluetooth monitoring, detailed fault information, or advanced app controls will find more capable options elsewhere in the list. SpartanStart makes sense for buyers who want a straightforward RV-focused product without moving into the highest price tier. Number 3 is the Coleman-Mach 1497-3601. This is the brand-specific option for owners of compatible Coleman-Mach air conditioners. Rather than using a universal wiring approach, it is designed around selected Coleman systems. This can reduce some of the uncertainty involved in adapting a generic soft starter. The advantage is a clearer compatibility path. If your exact Coleman model appears on the official compatibility information, this solution may be easier to justify than modifying a universal kit. That strength is also its main limitation. It is not intended for Dometic, Furrion, GE, or unrelated air conditioning systems. For a confirmed compatible Coleman-Mach system, this is the most logical brand-specific pick. At number 2 is the Micro Air EasyStart Flex 398 Bluetooth. Flex 398 targets larger single-phase air conditioners and heat pumps rather than typical RV rooftop units. Micro Air positions it for systems up to 6 tons, with support for generators, inverters, and limited utility power. Bluetooth connectivity provides operating and fault information that simpler soft starters cannot display. Its adaptive learning process is also designed to optimize startup behavior for the connected compressor instead of applying only a basic fixed response. This makes it more relevant to large motorhomes or unusual installations using residential-style HVAC equipment. The important limitation is application. Flex 398 is not the first choice for a normal 13,500 or 15,000 BTU rooftop RV air conditioner. Its capacity, complexity, and cost may all be excessive for a basic trailer setup. Choose Flex 398 for a large or non-standard single-phase HVAC system after confirming compatibility. For an ordinary RV rooftop air conditioner, the next product is the more appropriate fit. The best overall option is SoftStartRV. SoftStartRV is built specifically for the conditions surrounding a rooftop RV installation. It is intended for owners who need to start an air conditioner from a smaller generator, inverter, solar and battery system, or limited campground connection. Its waterproof enclosure is important because the unit sits beneath an exterior air conditioner shroud, where it may be exposed to vibration, moisture, heat, and road conditions. The manufacturer states that it reduces compressor startup demand, helping prevent generator overloads, breaker trips, and the harsh startup jolt that can cause lights to flicker. Main trade-off is the wired installation. You still need to access the rooftop unit, identify the compressor circuit correctly, and follow the diagram for your exact model. It also costs more than generic soft starters, so it may be difficult to justify when your air conditioner already starts reliably from the available power source. For most owners who need a purpose-built solution for a standard RV rooftop air conditioner, SoftStartRV offers the strongest combination of application support, installation guidance, and relevant protection. Here is the quick decision. Choose Aoteda only for a low-cost installation decision when you can independently verify the wiring. SpartanStart is the straightforward mid-range pick for standard rooftop units. Coleman owners should choose the brand-specific kit only after confirming their exact model. Flex 398 suits larger residential-style HVAC systems. For most RV rooftop air conditioners, SoftStartRV is the best overall fit. Links to all 5 products are in the description. For more camping, RV, and off-grid problem-solving gear guides, subscribe to Smarty Choices.